Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 5th annual Christmas on a Dime YouTube hop. And this is hosted by Dee, who is Elegant Embellishments. This is my second year participating in this hop, and I'm sure you will get tons of inspiration from the other 9 ladies in this hop. All the information will be down in the description box below for you guys to hop along. A lot of the channels will be having some hop candy for some giveaways, so make sure to check out each link in the description box to go check out their video. You must be subscribed to everyone in the lineup in order to be eligible to win any of the giveaways. So let me go ahead and share with you guys what I created for this hop. And I'm not going to be able to get all of this in frame because it is a tree skirt. The premise of the hop is to use what you have in your stash, and if you do buy anything for this project, it has to be $20 or less. Now, I do have a ton of fabric in my stash. However, I wanted to basically get some Christmassy or winter themed type fabric for my project, and I needed a yard of 2 patterns because I decided to make it reversible. I will have some pictures at the end to share with you guys what it looks like around my tree. I finally decided to get a tree. It's not a big one, it's just a 6-foot tree. Most of the times when I go out to get Christmassy items, especially like a tree skirt, I do tend to make my own. The only one that I've made before is for my little craft Christmas tree that I normally put up in my craft room. So it's very small. It's probably about 10 inches wide. Now this one that I created, I followed a tutorial from Professor Pincushion. I will leave that link in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. She goes into great detail on how to create a tree skirt, but I'm actually used to making circle skirts, so this is a variation of that. So it was not a hard thing to make the template and then sew it up. So this is one side of the tree skirt. Mine measures about 40 inches in diameter, like I said, because I have a small tree, and I couldn't decide what color to go with. So I actually chose 2 patterns so that I could actually make it reversible, and it will just depend on what is going on my tree, and I haven't decided yet. So it's this beautiful white sparkly snowflake pattern on one side, and it will go with any type of decor that I put on my tree. And then the other side is this gorgeous light blue, and the snowflakes on here is a little bit metallic, and it is like a beige champagne type of color. I got both these fabrics at Joann, and they were having 50% off. This is the Quilters Showcase line, and they were normally $10 each for a yard, but because it was 50% off, I got both of these, a yard each, for $10. So I also needed some batting just to give it a little bit of loft, and when I went, all the packaged batting was 40% off. So I picked the low loft batting because I didn't want a huge amount of bulk, and that was about $7.50. So I stayed under $20, and I can use this over and over every year, and I don't have to be stuck with just one pattern. I can pick and choose which one I want to use. So in that way, it's very versatile, and that's what I wanted to go for. And I'm so sorry that I can't fully show you. This is basically a quarter of it. here are my ties. This ribbon, it's this silvery kind of shimmery ribbon. I decided to have 2 sandwiched in between for each tie. So there's 3 on one side and then 3 on the other in order for me to tie it up. I left them loose. And you can put as many ties as you want. I just went with 3, just evenly spaced. And then I did do some top stitching around the edge. And I hope you can see that. It is a silver metallic thread that I already had in my stash. And here is the other side. So this project is actually really not time consuming. It's just the matter of getting your pattern for the size that you want and cutting out your fabric and then sewing it up. So the sewing process really does not take very long. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I will have some pictures at the end because you cannot see everything as it is folded right now. But I love the way that it came out, and now I have something personal and handmade that I can use throughout the years. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys find tons of inspiration from all the other incredible designers in this hop, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.